We had a quadratic equation that we had to put in standard form. Now that we have it in standard form, what's A?
X squared.
X squared.
1.
1. What's B?
6.
Negative 6.
Negative 6. You're 0 for 2.
Neck.
What's C?
9.
9. Guess what? C is the y-intercept.
I could tell.
Oh, no.
You could tell.
I mean, it's easy.
Okay, C is your y-intercept.
It's not with an X.
0, 9. Okay, I'm going to go up 9. Now, what do I know about this? How's my parabola going to look?
It's going to look happy.
It's going to look happy.
Yeah.
Look how high up we are. We might have to adjust, but we won't. Not on
Amy
this one.
doesn't have a neck.
Okay? It's going to go like that. Because this is positive. And it's going to go through there.
How?
You'll see.
It's not big enough.
Just watch. Axis of symmetry. X equals the opposite of B over 2 times A. So, what's the opposite of B?
Positive 6.
Good, Shadanya.
Yeah.
Over 2 times 1. So what is
3.
the axis of symmetry?
3.
3. Now watch. Put an imaginary line. That's the middle of my parabola. Don't have any points yet. It's the middle of my parabola. So let's plug the 3 in. And what do you get? Looking for the vertex. Plug in a 3.
9.
9?
No, I'm doing it.
3 squared.
Okay, 9. I have to do it on the board because.
And if you guys are going to use calculators to do this, then you need to use calculators now to practice. If you're going to do it mentally, that's fine too. Braxton, what'd you get?
0.
He got 0. Somebody got 9.
No, it's 0. It's 0. No, it's 0. I was talking about the X squared.
Okay, it is 3, 0.
Yeah. Wait.
That is the vertex. Now, notice with this axis of symmetry, which cuts it in half, we automatically have a point here.
Oh.
Reflection.
I hated reflection.
Why? It's so 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. You don't have to find that point. All you need now is one more point. Why? Because you can reflect it. So you really only have to come up with one. Now, here is where kids struggle. You have to come up with a reasonable point. Would -1 be reasonable?
No.
No, because it'll take you off the chart.
Try a positive one.
So try 1 in here, something between here. It doesn't matter, 1, 2, 4.
Ben, can you move your head? Please?
Try 1, 2, or 4. Now let's just go 1. 1 is the easiest, right? Well, 3 was what?
6.
0.
3, 0, 6, 9.
Okay, so what's 1 give us? 1 gives us a 4. Anybody agree?
1 gives you. Yeah, 4.
Yeah.
Okay. 1 gives us a 4. Reflect it. We're done.
Wait.
There's our parabola.
You grabbed that wrong.
I graphed it wrong. 1 gives us a 4.
I was like, wait.
Reflect. I always do something wrong when I'm filming. I just do.
It's okay.
Okay, now we have our parabola.
Pressure gets to her.
Didn't talk this to me.
You know, not all people are clutch like me.
There it is.
Do you need to add the point of 6, 9?
Why?
Because it's the other point?
Oh, you mean here?
Yeah.
Well, what I'll do on a test is if you go ahead after you have your points, put them on the T-chart, go ahead. Maybe I can give you some credit. Maybe you graph it wrong, but you got it here. So I've had kids, it's 6, 9, and then they'll do 6, 8, but they have 6, 9 here. It's not, that's not a big deal. You just screwed up because you counted wrong. So you might want to use the T-chart, but yeah, I think a T-chart's a great idea, yes. All right.
Are we doing this one?
Now you're going to do this one. We'll do it together, but I'm going to be one step behind you. All right? By the way, it takes forever to make these up so that they come out and they're not crazy numbers. But what will happen on story problems is you'll get like 248. What do you think they're going to do with that? If you have 248, how you going to graph it?
I don't know.
248.
You gotta move the,
Well, you'll move your x-axis down,
112.
and then you can count by 4s, count by 5s, whatever your points tell you to do. Some of your graphs will look a little different because if you count by 5s or you count by 2s, you know, some of you are going to have a fat one or a skinny one. It doesn't matter. If you have the right points, yeah.
On this like graph